Hi, my name is Guido Espinosa. I need to talk about my project. In this case, my presentation for my project. The prototype of ligament protection in the knee for people with deficit. Objectives: improve performance and give more strength to this keep protection for ligaments. Number two, general objectives: creative your prototype with recycled materials, implement security to the use of the prototype and the uh, prototypes on the operations. Introduction. Canipit should be used as directed by your physical the use on canip. Brace depends on what types in this and what injures and trips. Some should be works permanency, others are work only during sports or work experience of doing physical activity. We should check the location of breaks during activities to take cast note moving improvise can brace can do more hard and good. Justification in this sport field we are saying main shooting careers for contact sports or deming jobs. Their anterior cruciate ligament on the most important established on knee. Um, it's said to the breakbones of the knee because it gives 19% stability. Some strong muscles in the lobe on the knee because of the delicious and the importance of the infusions. The posterior cruciate ligament is gradually injurious. Theoretical frameworks, what the advantage of Carnegie, they had many functions, they used many natural heats, server performance foreign just help avoid spread and relatives and streaming to keep. When is the use recommended? It is recommended in case of the Arctic needs of the ears, many injuries, traumas, ligament sprains of the knee, dislocation, injury prevention. This type of knee is also to important advance the benefit on circulation, reducing possible in the area, making soft this of more elastic and favor the recover on joint disorder or preventive relapses. In conclusion, this project creates in very helpful to people who when running and physical activity and heavy work. This will help you to give more support to the ligaments of the knee and have much more resistance when running an activity. This knee brace will help you to better styling and will other people because they often falls or when using this brace will give too much more stability. In short, this project is creative with the aim of helping people to create something very simple with recycled materials that can be at the disposal of the people. This is my project. Thank you so much.